In this video, we're going to take a look at how to set the subject line of your email campaign. So you'll see at the top left, we have set subject line. If you've already set your subject line, the subject line that you've set will display here. So to open the builder, just click on the button. Okay, and we can key in our new subject line at the top here. And you'll also spot that we have a range of emojis on the right hand side. And the next field here is the preview text. So the preview text is the few lines of text that show below the subject line in a user's email inbox before they open it. So you can enter a few lines of text that you want to display here. And again, if you want to add an emoji, you'll see the emoji sections over here. In addition to that, we have mal merge fields available. So if you click on merge tags. So for example, if you have the user's first name, you could populate that in either the subject line field or alternatively the preview field. So let's go add their first name. And then we can click on first name. Perfect. And maybe we'll put a comma in. So in this scenario, it would read, Chris, discover our new UK warehouse. And you'll see on the right hand side, we have the max length for the subject line and the max length for the preview text. These are recommended values that inbox providers will recommend that you use. When you finish setting it, we can just click on update. Okay, alternatively, if we open the subject line builder again, we have a Write with AI. So if you click on the Write with AI button, the AI will scan the content of your email and design some perfect subject line and preview text that will hopefully promote engagements. So let's give it a go. Okay, there we go. There's our subject line and preview text been generated by AI. If you like it and want to use it, just click on update, or if it's not for you, we can just click on the cancel button.